Today, we pit the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 against the Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun in a head-to-head battle of performance, comfort and efficiency. Will the latest innovation from Hankook take the crown, or will Falken's tried and tested connector hold its ground? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 set as the reference point at 100%. First up, wet performance. The road gets slippery and stopping power is critical. In the wet braking test, the Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun stops 0.24 meters sooner than the Ventus Prime 4. When it comes to wet handling, both tires are neck and neck, but the Falken's holds a 5.3 km per hour advantage in aquaplaning. That's a win for Falken in wet conditions. Now, on to dry performance, when the sun is out and the grip and responsiveness matter most. Here, the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 edges ahead, stopping 0.6 meters sooner in dry braking, while completing the handling course much faster. In subjective handling ratings, both tires scores an impressive 9 points, making them equally confidence-inspiring. However, if you demand absolute best in dry braking and lap times, Hankook takes the lead. Comfort is where Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun truly shines, with a lower road noise of 71.6 dB compared to Hankook's 72.8 dB, which is a 1.2 dB difference. The Falken offers a quieter and more comfortable ride, making it ideal for long trips. In subjective comfort ratings, Falken scored a 10 out of 10 rating, while Hankook closely followed with 9.5 points. Meanwhile, the Hankook isn't far behind but does transmit a bit more exterior noise. How about rolling resistance? One of the biggest factors affecting fuel efficiency. Here, Hankook takes a win, boasting 4% lower rolling resistance than Falken. That means better fuel economy and longer EV range. And what about mileage? Over the long haul, Hankook lasts longer, offering an estimated 49,900 km compared to Falken's 46,300 km, which is a 3,600 km difference. That's more road time before needing a replacement. And what about price? The Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun is more budget-friendly option, costing 3% less than Hankook. So which one should you choose? If you want the best wet grip and comfort at a lower price, the Falken ZIEX ZE310 EcoRun is your winner. However, if dry performance, fuel efficiency and handling are your priorities, the Hankook Ventus Prime 4 takes the lead.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.